the Lion's Eye Institute, we evaluate and prepare ocular tissue for transplant. We prepare somewhere to the number of 10,000 corneas a year, and in the past, those preparations were taking place in ISO 5 flow hoods. As we've grown, we needed to be able to move into an open processing concept and had the need for clean rooms to be installed. In the eye banking industry, there's a mix of clean rooms and hoods that are utilized in preparations. I think in recent years there's been a shift to work in an open concept for the preparation, and a clean room is the way to go. I do have some experience with the construction of clean rooms at previous organizations I've worked for in the past. When I started searching last fall for a company to erect modular clean rooms, I came across FLOW Cleanrooms online and reached out to inquire. When I compared FLOW Cleanrooms to the competitors that I had also received quotes from, I felt that their feedback, their response time, and their customer service far outweighed anyone else's abilities, and it seemed like the right organization to go with. The individuals that I did speak with through the design and preparing for the install process were very knowledgeable, understood in short order what it was we were looking for, and were able to put together a design plan that met our requirements. We had been designing some renovations at our facility for about 12 months leading up to the date that we broke ground. We engaged FLOW Cleanrooms about 3 months before our renovation began, or about 5 months before the clean room install needed to happen. I think that was the right amount of time for us to go back and forth on the sizing, the design, and the infrastructure needed to support the clean rooms. The install crew that showed up was probably the best experience of working with FLOW Cleanrooms. Communication leading up to the delivery of the materials, the arrival times of the crew that flew in from out of state, and the customer service of the actual individuals that came on site to do the install was second to none. We've had a lot of different vendors in our space as we constructed about 7,000 square feet of both office and lab space, and I'd say FLOW Cleanrooms was probably the best vendor we had on site. I think if anybody out there is in need of a modular clean room setup, I wouldn't hesitate to recommend FLOW Cleanrooms. They've done a solid job from when I first reached out to them to start the design and quoting process right through the install.